Now let me show you how we can drag and release on your iPad. So naturally I'm running the latest version, which is the iPad OS 26 point something, but it kind of works like this, that you can drag one thing from one app to another. A good example is the Photos app, right? So you open up the Photos, let me just zoom out the pictures and let me just grab, for example, this one, right? So of course you can hold down on it, it's gonna pop up like this, but instead of like lifting the finger from the screen, I'm actually going to hold it down on it. I kind of like move it away. So as you can see, I can move it around and potentially place it in the different parts of the same app. So for example, within the Photos, I can move it into different albums or folders. But when I actually use my other finger, in my case thumb, to swipe up and leave the app, I'm still holding on to the photo. So this index finger has to stay connected, or I need to stay touching the screen. But I'm going to open up, for example, the Files app, and for example, let me place it in here. So I'm moving this photo from the Photos app to a different app, in this case Files, and in the top left corner you can see the green plus button that I can actually paste it in here. But of course I can keep on going further. For example, I open up a folder and paste it specifically in here. And now I have successfully copied, I dragged and dropped the photo from Photos app into the Files app. So that's like the main purpose of this. The picture stayed in here, or actually didn't, it looks like. So that's kind of how it works. You can move things back and forth. Naturally, this was only an example, because you can as well grab it and also put it into the Messages app, right? Just make sure you kind of have it ready, because we still have to hold it in here. But if I, for example, open up the Messages in here and I don't know, paste it like this, you can see that I can as well send it over. So that's how it works. That's how you can drag things around the iPad. Let me know if that's the thing which you are looking for. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.